Hi everyone, welcome to Tech TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for a Netspend account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up or create a new account for Netspend, open up a web browser first. In the URL box at the top, type in www.netspend.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll soon find yourself in the official web page of Netspend, which looks like this. From the official web page, go to the Sign Up Now button at the top right hand corner, or you can fill in your information into the text boxes appearing on the right hand side of the screen. Start off by typing in your first name in the first text box. Head over to the next one and type in your last name as well. Right where it says email address, make sure to type in an email address that you have an access to. After you are done filling in your detail, click continue. Now enter further information about you. Enter your street address or your apartment number into the text box where it says street address/apt. Once you do that, head over to the next field where it says zip code and type in your zip code correct. Once you're done, check if your email address is correct or not and select which of the following payments would you like to receive in direct deposits. Pick your choice and give it a click. Now, right beneath, you'll need to choose your card from the category displayed. Once you pick the card format for yourself for Netspend, click on Get My Card button. Soon after you do that, on the next page, follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to sign up for Netspend. With your Netspend account, you can manage your finance on the go. That is how you can easily sign up for Netspend account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.